So is flying a drone so difficult? No. You see, watch closely as Pasade takes us through how to fly a drone over here inside Accra. Fulani, yes. And so throughout my discoveries, I was able to come in touch with Pasgate. Yes, and this man has been able to manufacture drones of different types and all that. Actually, I discovered Pasgate inside Accra in Ghana over here, West Africa. And in fact, it's so awesome. I have a lot of videos about Pasgate over here on my YouTube channel. You can actually check it out and watch a lot of them. But this time round, you see, when I visited Pasgate, it took time to take us through how to fly a drone, and that is what I'm going to concentrate now. So I'm going to let you have a watch on how to fly a drone, the step by step, and how he was actually able to fly these huge drones over here on your screen. Thank you so much for always having time over here with me on my YouTube channel. Try to discover people with special talent around the country, in all our communities and our societies and all that, and then also speaking with entrepreneurs to discover how they were able to make it so that their success story can actually motivate and inspire you. Not only that, also trying to showcase the beautiful places across the country. Yes. And so if today happens to be a first time and you would want to be seeing and watching inspiring videos like this, please take a few seconds of your time, click on the subscribe button, be part of this wonderful family as we move around whilst we enjoy ourselves over here. And thank you so much for those of you who have already subscribed. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click on the share button, share the video so others can have a watch, and then also you like and then you put a comment at the comment section. I'll be grateful and I'll be very happy to read and attend to all of you at the comment section. So let's have time now and actually go through the steps in flying a drone over here. Oh, that's it signal, right?
So
okay.
the number of beeps you hear at the last stretch is the number of cells you are using in your battery.
Okay.
So this is a 6S battery. It will beep 6 times. It was a 4S. The other one is a 4S.
Okay. Wow. And this one is also about to fly. Yes, about to take off. right. Yeah. So. And Pasgate says that he has something so special to tell the world. So let's have time and listen to what he has to say.
Drones and robots, and it's something that I've been researching for a while now. I've spent a lot, I've invested a lot. This is how far I've been able to come. And I'm calling on whoever is willing and has the ability and has interest in Africa and the youth, in our development and the future of our children today, to come on board with me. Let's go on this journey. Let's be able to develop this further, build into products, and give it to our nation to be able to serve us. Because this is a phase we are entering in that is inevitable. One day, taxis may not be on the roads. These drones will be flying with us and sending us wherever we have to be, without traffic and all the stress. So come on board with me, support me, encourage me. Let's push Africa to a new level. We have the ability, we have the strength, we have the knowledge, and with partnership, good partnership, we should be able to take this as far as we can be able to take it to the ends of the earth. This Ghana to the world, this Africa to the world. Let's Pasade. Thank you.